Is it? Oh my god, when it comes out.
But I hit the... Damn it! I hit the stadium floor that time too! Hello everybody, my name is Quakin, and today we're going to be doing a battle between Daimyo Samuraizor Extreme Ultra versus Infinite Achilles Dimension Dash 1B. Why do I always mess that up? It's 1B. Everyone knows that. First
They
one.
should have used 2B though, if we're being honest.
Should have. What mode? What do you want? The balanced Beyblade boy. What mode do you want?
Yeah, leave it how it is. I know what it's in.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the master.
He's the master. By the way, I would like to preface this battle with, how dare you, level 0? Not level 0. The portal 0. There's too many zeros. Portal 0, that's right. Yeah, if you hadn't, why didn't you, like, if you had just sent Heist Fafnir, instead of Lucifer the End, which, by the way, it's just a joke. But if you had just sent Heist Fafnir, I could have killed that instead of this bay that I bought off your site. It was really expensive, and now I'm gonna mangle it with my superior Beyblade.
Wow.
Wow! Alright.
Okay, double knockout rule, 2.
1. Piss!
Uh-oh.
That quick change.
Touch me. Oh wait, you can't.
No. Can't touch this!
No.
1-0.
Watch you get copyright claim.
Oh. I wouldn't put it past YouTube, those bloodthirsty vampires. 1. Actually, that might have been 2. I think it bounced into here and here.
I didn't even think that was 1, but okay.
Alright, 1-1.
1-1.
1-1. Yeah. Gotta love how the Bay battles are, like, so intense that you need, like, Dragon Ball level of speed in order to keep up with them. Yeah, 2-1.
2-1, got son.
Stop. Oh, sniping's bad.
Is it? Oh my god, when it doesn't work out.
But I hit the... Damn it! I hit the stadium floor that time too. Right? Did I?
Achilles. Yeah, you did. That's 3-1.
Dude!
Just got sunned again, son.
3-1, get sunned! Okay. Yeah! Ah! Oh! 4-1.
Okay. Give me a slight tilt.
Acquiring slight tilt. Oh, no, gosh. I landed on top of it again. Again, wait. Jokes, funny.
We're hilarious.
Reference to videos you haven't seen because I wasn't popular back when these jokes were made. What the? Scheisse.
Yes, Achilles, please.
3-2.
Does Daimyo have the fortitude?
Oh, it's no! Oh, I hate you. Oh, wait. Whoa, hang on. Shit, where'd it go? The tip is not there. Oh. Okay.
That was almost bad.
Yeah. Okay. One more time. 4-2. We have the fortitude.
Yes, Daimyo have the fortitude.
Double knockout. I win because it bounced out of here and into here, and my bay went out.
All right.
Yeah, 5-2. So it did. Daimyo has the 5 to 2.
Yes.
I hate myself. Really do. Oh! Demolished. 6 to 2?
Oh, Spider Kids.
6 to 2?
Yeah.
I thought it was 5 to 2. Yeah,
No,
it's 5 to 2.
It was 5 to 2. Because you're just like, does it have the 5 to 2? And then it won another point.
So wouldn't it be 5 to 3?
No, you didn't get the point.
I'm in the lead.
Oh.
5 to 3.
What the?
Hi, that's not the mode you're supposed to be in there, buddy. Whoa there, fucko. Where do you think you're going?
I've gotten the points. Oh, fucking rock. Oh, man.
1. Yeah! Okay. 6 to 3. God damn it, Insta.
What the?
I think... Why do these have to happen so fast? I think it bounced into these two pockets. It bounced out of this one and I hit it into here.
Achilles wins.
No! No, Insta! I'm not messing around.
6 to 4, Achilles wins.
No! I hit it into here and it bounced out of here.
We'll look at it in editing. 6 to 4, Achilles wins.
No! I'm calling that 7 to 3.
I'm calling it 6 to 4.
Oh my god. Fine. 6 to 4, you complacent bitch. What would you call that?
I'd call that 7 to 4.
Yeah. Oh. Bullshit. I do not appreciate. Ooh. Wait.
Oh.
Oh. 7 of 5.
I've been trying to figure out what Achilles reminds me of, and I finally fucking figured it out.
What?
Bible Man's fucking lightsaber.
Oh, what?
Oh.
7 to
Like
6.
Suck or something.
Shut up.
Ah.
No, stop. That's not the right mode.
Oh.
Okay. Sir, can I fucking help you?
No.
Shut up, Insta. Not in the mood for your shit. There we go. Yeah! 8 to 7, right? Or 8 to 6?
What the?
8 to
I'm not sure.
8 to 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. To 6. Oh, damn it. Goddamn sniping bullshit. Oh. Samuraizor, come off the launcher straight. Please.
Great.
Glorious. Exactly like that. That is 10. 10 to... Right? 10 to 6.
What the?
It's 10 to 6. Okay. Yoma! Worst blader of all time. Yeah! Uh-oh, this is bad. No! This is why I need to reprint my freaking driver. This is bullshit.
You say Hyoma's the worst blader ever when fucking Nyx exists.
Oh! Oh my god! What the fuck? That was completely undeserved. 10 to 7. What the hell? Dude, I thought my Chad joke was a touch too far, and everyone was like, oh my god, Quake, you're such an asshole. Now the whole world knows. Especially Nyx. You think he's gonna see that and be like, oh, that's okay. I'm gonna be okay with that, you dick.
He'll be fine with it.
No! He's been working very hard. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah. I can see all of his hard work crumbling. When
Shut up! Shut up! Dude, that's not... I'm serious. Lay off. It's not that funny.
You're laughing at it.
I'm shocked! Laughing is a shocked response.
Yeah, sure.
It is. You Google it. Everyone Google it. You know what? It's gonna be on screen. Maybe. I don't know if I feel like editing this. That's 12-7. Ugh. 13-7. Barely. Barely.
Barely.
Yeah. Oh my god. Of course we both know that fucking reference. Damn it. Don't hurt me, please. Thank you. Oh. Ah! 13-8. I'll never get double the points now.
You could get a burst finish.
13-9. Closing the gap.
Now you suck.
Screw it, we're going to 20. 1. Oh.
Uh-oh.
13-10. Samuraizor, come on now. I believe in you.
Achilles and I go better than Quakin Samuraizor.
Shut up. 1, 2. That's me, baby. 14-10.
Achilles' resonance goes brrr.
Achilles' resonance goes 15-10. Yeah. All right. Thanks everybody for watching. This has been. I mean, come on. You really think that the attack mode was going to do better? The defense mode was the best chance for this thing, and it still couldn't handle the raw power of Daimyo Samuraizor.
You want to know what else?
What?
It would have gotten demolished by speed mode.
You're not wrong. I would have lost to speed mode. Everyone, mark it in the calendar. Speed mode coming soon. No, not actually. I would never do that with my literal prize bag. Okay.
Quake would never accept it.
Ooh, 12 minutes. That was really good.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Remember to subscribe to DK, Instaburst, and the Model Bladers. Join the Model Bladers Discord, all that good stuff. And toe.